Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share your screen on Google Meet. So in here, as you guys can see, I've already opened the Google Meet apps on my computer. Okay, so let's say that you join a meeting and you want to share the screen of your computer or laptop to the audience of the meeting. So here what you need to do is just click on these buttons at the bottom, the present and now option. Click on this, and after that there will be a pop-up that you need to select. So you need to choose what to share with the audience. So choose the tab or the window or the entire screen. So there are two options, and if you want to use the Chrome tab, you can just select which tab that you want to share. If you want to share your window, just there only one option, or you can just present or share the entire screen. After that, here click on the option and click on share. So after you do that, the your screen will be seen by all of the audience in the meeting. And if you want to stop sharing, you can just click on this button. Okay, so now that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.